Good evening, YouTube. Where have I been? Haven't been nowhere. Just been working, hanging out. But anyway, it's 4th of July, so I thought I'd get on here and say hello to everybody, my family, the ones I don't get to see. But first, let me say I had a subscriber message me and just checking on me, so to speak. So that was pretty cool. I mean, I really appreciate that. You know who you are. I ain't gonna say your name. I don't know if you'd want your name to be said. So, but yeah, I really appreciate that. It was pretty nice of you, and also, you know, just seeing if I was all right. But anyhow, enough of that. Today's 4th of July. It's a beautiful day. Let me turn you around here. I'm sitting inside the RV because it's super hot outside. But it's a sight, Bronny. There's old Black Betty. But it's a sight. Man, it's a bright, there we go. Learn your common English, Wayne. It's a bright, sunny day. But it's also like 98 degrees with a heat index of 106. So, yeah, I'm sitting in the air conditioner. But anyhow, I just want to get here real quick. There's my neighbor waving at me, looking through my window. I'm going to get here real quick, just say hello to everybody, say happy 4th of July. Later on tonight, I'm going to go see, you know, the local area and see the fireworks and everything. I'll try to get some video of that. But yeah, just want to say happy 4th of July. Hope y'all have had a great time. By the time you see this, it'll be over, so hope you had a great day. And I'll try to get back on here sooner. I know I haven't been making videos. It's been, what, like a month, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I know it's been a long time, but I just haven't been doing anything. And been working and really trying to save my money up. So I've been working as many hours as I can. Speaking of that, the thing about the job, you know, I was going to take that permanent full-time job. I don't know if I am or not. Well, that's going to take too long. We'll make that discussion for another time, but I really don't know if I'm going to take it or not. I'm just not ready to give it up, you know, give up roaming around, bumming around, whatever you want to call it. I just don't think I'm ready to give that up yet. I'm really enjoying it. Although I don't travel as much as I used to. I stay in areas long periods of time now. Like I go to an area if I like it. Like the community, the people there, I may stay 2 or 3 months, you know. So I don't travel like I used to, but nevertheless I still travel. So I don't think I'm ready to give that up. But then again, you know, it's up in the air. You know, I don't know what tomorrow's gonna bring. I don't know. But I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna take that job. I just don't think I'm ready just yet. But anyway, let me get off here. I'll come back later on tonight when the fireworks start or whatever, you know, and we'll see you then. So I'm heading off to the, yeah, it's dark. Give me a second, let me roll this window up. I forgot I had the windows down. But it's going to be dark because it's late in the afternoon. I'm headed off to the little fireworks show. But yeah, I was supposed to be going with a friend. Today we made plans, and I guess they decided to blow me off. Yeah. Lesson learned, you know. It ain't the first time this person's kind of like this, you know, blew me off like it's no big deal. I'm about, you know, I don't invest a whole lot of time in people like that, so, you know, I'm not worried about it. I just go over here by myself, I don't care. Anyhow, I'm gonna ride over here to this spot, and in this area, man, there's like several fireworks shows going on. But I'm actually going over to where I work because I have a great view, it being right on the lake. I have a perfect view to see the fireworks. There won't be there might be some people there, like people I work with and their families. It won't be like the general public, you know. It won't be 5,000 people crowded in, you know, one little area. Anyhow, I'm gonna pause this, dive on over here, and then whenever fireworks normally start, I'll turn it back on. It's such a beautiful evening. It's finally cooled off. It's cooled down quite a bit. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit cloudy, but that's okay. video for you, man. All right, I'll be back here in a little bit. If I don't wreck my truck first. I know it's dark, hard to see, but actually the camera makes it look light. But we're almost here. I'm out here driving on the golf course where I work. I'm gonna go out here to one of our greens is right on the edge of the water. And that's where they'll be shooting the fireworks over top of the lake. So yeah, I'm just driving out here on the golf course, and several of the guys I work with, they're already out here. So yeah, go out here and have a good time.